Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, I want to say a special welcome to all of you new viewers. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a copy of Google Docs. So as you can see here, I'm in Google Docs, right? And if you want to make a copy of any document that you're working on, whether it's a recent document that you've been working on, or it could be something from a template that you're working on, it's very easy to make a copy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply choose a template here. So let's say I want to make a copy of this CV here, or this resume here. I'm going to open that. So once the document load and you make your changes to the document, whatever it might be, let's say I want to remove the awards part, I'm going to simply make a simple removal of that or edit of the document. Let's say I want to make a copy of this, right? Doesn't matter. What do you do is just simple click on file on the upper left hand side from these options. And here you have the option that says make a copy. It's as simple as that. So you can go ahead and you can click make a copy. It's going to give you the option to name the file. So you don't have to have it copied name. You can just simply rename this. So let's say I would like to say Drew or Andrew. I can simply say Andrew CV or Andrew resume, right? So let's leave it as that. And then you can choose if you want to put it into a specific part of your drive. So you can select drive and you can choose where you want to put it. If you want to put it into a specific folder or location, you can do that. I'm not going to put it anywhere, but let's leave it as that. And then you can simply go ahead and you can choose share it with the same people if you want to share it with someone, copy, comment, and suggestion. So if the document actually contain any comments or suggestion that you have been doing in the documents, you can choose if you want that to be copied as well. So this is optional. All these options here is optional. You also have the option to include resolve comments and suggestions. So once you go ahead and choose where you want to save it, the name of the document, and choose whichever options you want to do, then all you have to do is just simply click make a copy. Now once you make the copy, it's going to open up into a new window and you have the copy of that document with the name that is there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back here to the home page and show you that it's there. So as you can see, I did use this document, but if you look here, you can see that I have the one that I worked on before here, and then I have the one renamed and a copy of it that says Andrew CV, and I can open up whichever one I want. So I have the new one here, so I'm going to open up the original one here, which I did open before, and these are both of them. And that's it, guys, how to make a copy of Google Docs. So if you have any document in Google Docs and you want to make a copy of it, that's how you make a copy of that document, guys. Very easy and very simple.